Local news for Tuesday the 14th of February. Health Minister Jonathan Coleman says the latest data shows around 2,200 more Wairarapa DHB patients have received a first specialist assessment, or FSA, since 2008. Dr Coleman says increasing access to specialist care is a key priority. At Wairarapa DHB, 8,725 patients received an FSA last year, compared to 6,438 patients in 2008, an increase of 35%. More students will be supported to learn trades at Freeze Fee in Wairarapa this year, following an increased provision and places for study available at UCO under the Māori and Pacifica Trades Training Initiative. The initiative provides Freeze Fee tertiary places for Māori and Pacifica learners aged between 16 and 40 in trades programs, and is designed to give learners the skills needed to gain sustainable employment, enter into apprenticeships or move on to higher study. And in sport, registrations are open today for the Wairarapa Kids Triathlon Series. Wairarapa Multisports will be at WBS today for the first of 3 regio dates from 9:30 until 11:30am. For Tuesday the 14th of February, happy Valentine's Day. I'm Brent Gare.